Hello. Pull. Oh. Ooh. Yeah.
Good day, sir. I am Ranger Dabapo from Criminology 3rd Year Charlie. So today I will explain and tell you the functions and parts of the manual vehicle. So first, let's start with the plate number. This is used for the identification, the registration of the vehicle. The car trunk at car grills. This is used for the protection of the engines inside. The headlight and the signal light, which is used for signaling and the lighting when it's dark. This is the car hood, which is used for the cover in the engines inside. Next, we have here the windshield. This is used for protection of our drivers and also the passengers. We have here the wipers. This is used during rainy season, especially when you are driving on the road. Next, we have the steering wheel. This is used for navigation. Horn, which is used for signaling. Odometer, which is used to see or maintain the speed of the vehicle. We have here the clutch. This is used during the gear shifting. The brake, which is used to slow down or to stop the vehicle. This is used for moving, which is the accelerator, used for speeding or moving the car. Gear shift, this is used to shift the gears. And also we have here the front seat. This is for the driver. The passenger seat is also for the passenger. So we have here the rear view mirror, which is used to see the following cars. So we have here the back seat, is also used for the passengers. The tail light is for also the signaling, and also the spare wheel is used during the emergencies. So let me see you this, the fuel gauge. This is where you put the gasoline, and also the fuel tank is where you store the gasoline. So that's all, everyone. Thank you.